Hello everyone, welcome to my IGCSE physics guide. So today I will be solving um, the June 2019 paper 31 for physics. So let's begin with question 1A. So a student has a metal object. The student measures the mass of the object. State the name of the equipment used to measure the mass. So the equipment that can be used to measure the mass can be the measuring balance or weighing machine, whichever one you're comfortable with. That'll be the right answer. Um, Part 2. The mass of the metal object is 1260 grams. The volume of the metal is 150 centimeter cube. Calculate the density of the metal, include the unit. So we have the mass, that is 1260 grams. We have the volume, that is 150 centimeter cube, and they're asking us to find the density. So the equation for density is mass over volume. So if we substitute the two values we have in their places, we will have 1260 divided by 150, and that will be equal to 8.1. Do not forget the unit, so grams per centimeter cube, and that's how you solve part 2. Part 3, the mass of the metal object is given in grams. State the mass in kilograms. So when we are converting from grams to kilograms, we're going to be dividing by 1,000. So as you can see over here, it is shown here. So we have 1260 grams, which we will divide by 1,000, and that will be equal to 1.26 kilograms. Because we're going from a bigger number to a smaller number, we're going to be dividing it by 1,000. So for part B, a vase is placed on a table. Force X and Y act on the vase as shown in figure 1.1. So we have the vase and the two forces. The mass of the vase is 0.25 kilograms. The vase is not moving. Calculate the value of force X and Y, of force X and the value of force Y. So since the vase is not moving, we will be using the formula W is equal to m into g, where W is the weight, and that is equal to the mass into the acceleration due to gravity, and that's g. So the value for g is 9.81. So this is something we should know. Then over here we have 0.25 kilograms, which is the mass. Therefore we will multiply 0.25 into 10, will round 9.81 to 10, and then you'll have 2.1 newtons. And as the vase is not moving, the two forces will be equal. Therefore you'll have 2.5 newton for X and 2.5 newton for Y, and that is how you solve question 1.